Hello, I'm Mike Corbett, bringing you The Rural Nature Lover, a collection of videos I've made right here near my home in southern New England. I want to show you some of the videos I captured right near my home here. This is the area where I caught a deer that walked up within 12 feet of me. Yeah, I was just walking along and all of a sudden I noticed it was like within 15 feet away from me. And I sat up there, I sat the tripod down and I started taping them, and it gradually started circling me and coming closer. Must have come within 12 feet of me. You'll see it on the video. Check it out. I'm actually catching a deer out in the woods behind Elmwood. The white-tailed deer, also known as the Virginia deer, or simply as the whitetail, is a medium-sized deer native to the United States and as far south as Peru. They can run up to 40 miles per hour and swim up to 12 miles per hour. The male regrow their antlers every year. One in about 10,000 females also have antlers. This is usually associated with hermaphroditism. Bucks without branching antlers are often termed spikehorn, and the spikes can be short or very long. The antler's growth is determined by nutrition, age, and genetics. They are the fastest growing living material on Earth. Wondering about me, it doesn't know what to do. All it knows is move this way, and maybe he'll move on. Can't believe I'm actually getting this. Deers are generalists. They can adapt to a wide variety of habitats. As you can see, this doe is living in an area of wooded patch surrounded by houses and roads, and they're known to stay within 1 mile of their known area. At this point, the deer is moving in closer to get a better look at me and the camera. I'm kind of kneeling down by the camera, and this is the point where he gets within 12 feet of me.
Looks like it's going to come right up to me. Hopefully we don't get a deer attack on video here. His head behind the tree. I think I'm in his way. This close to a deer on a vehicle.
The average lifespan of a deer is 10 years. This deer's natural enemies are wolves, cougars, alligators, bears, and of course humans. It's more likely that this deer will end up getting hit by a vehicle. The deer has already gotten comfortable enough around me to start grooming itself, and this is truly remarkable. In 1930, the deer population for America was estimated about 300,000. But after conservation and hunting regulations were put in place, by around 2005 the Associated Press put the number at over 30 million. The idea that deer overpopulate in some areas really overlooks the fact that us humans are eating away at their habitat. So this was Mike Corbett for the Rural Nature Lover, showing you that you can find nature just off the road. Have a good one.